how to make an eggless chocolate cake. Ready to bake an amazing eggless chocolate cake? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning egg-free masterpiece that tastes as incredible as it looks. Let's dive in. Step 1. Carefully sieve 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl. Add a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, a tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 cup of milk. Step 2. Turn your mixer onto a medium speed. Mix thoroughly to create a smooth and consistent paste. Step 3. Add eggs. Remove the eggs. It's an eggless cake, remember? Add chocolate paste instead. Now have a taste of your amazing creation.